So for me personally, as one of the founders, I had worked extremely hard in my younger years and throughout my whole life to achieve various achievements, such as, very complicated, difficult degree. And then also I had many prestigious job titles, and even at one point as an executive with almost 400 people. Even then, I found that no matter what I achieved, I was never truly happy. And I couldn't understand why. I kept thinking, I've done all the right things. I have on the outside the life that looks like it should make me so happy. Everything looks perfect. And regardless of what I seem to achieve or the amount of material I seem to amass, I was not happy. And when I looked around, most of the people around me were the same way. So I decided to step away from the corporate life and dig deeper into my being and find out, how can I become truly happy? And so finally, what I've discovered is that no matter what you work on, regardless of your past, your background, who you are, where you come from, or what you do, that light manifestation is really the only way to achieve happiness when you think about an endeavor, when you start, during a project, or when you're finished, to really enjoy the fruits of all of your labor. And so this is what created Vibration Mentor, the desire to truly help other people, our clients, to achieve a beautiful, joyous journey through conscious light manifestation, and to really achieve an incredible life that is true to them, that is authentic and joyous. Because it doesn't matter what you're doing or what you've accomplished or where you've been, if you don't love what you do, if you don't love your life, if you are not happy most of the time, then what is it all for? So we are here to help you enjoy your life as much as possible, to find that incredible presence and appreciation, and to really expand and discover the most incredible life imaginable. So welcome, and thank you for being here.